Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza with an air fryer. First, gather all your ingredients, like your favorite pizza dough, sauce, cheese, and any toppings you love. Next, preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This ensures a perfectly crispy crust. Remember to lightly grease the basket or use parchment paper to prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Now it's time to assemble your delicious pizza. Carefully roll out your pizza dough to a size that fits comfortably in your air fryer basket, usually around 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the dough, leaving a small border for the crust. Then, generously add your shredded cheese and all your preferred toppings. With your pizza assembled, it's time for the magic to happen in the air fryer. Gently place your pizza into the preheated basket. Cook it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes. Cooking times can vary, so keep an eye on it. You'll know it's ready when the crust is golden brown and crispy, and the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once your pizza is cooked to perfection, carefully remove it from the air fryer using tongs or a spatula. It will be hot, so handle with care. Let it cool for 2 to 3 minutes before slicing into your desired portions. This brief cooling period helps the cheese set and prevents burns. Garnish with fresh basil or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes for an extra touch of flavor. Enjoy your homemade air fryer pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.